Hello everyone, this is JP Krankowitz and I'm still in Sarasota, Florida. This is part 3 of the abandoned historic Seaboard Airline Railroad, or Seaboard Coastline. Yeah, this is Clark Road back there. That crossing is Clark Road. I've noticed that the tracks have become, the rails are in worse shape than back there. Because look, these tracks are really wobbly. It's kind of like a snake or something. See at the crossing.
Wobbles here. Down here?
Yeah.
It's really crooked.
Yeah.
And
look, you can see how it's you can see how it's crooked.
Yeah.
The rails are kind of crooked there. There's tons of gravel here. Tons of gravel. Wow. Imagine if a train came through here today. That train would be wobbling all over the place and would be going like 5 miles an hour. Yeah, these tracks are abandoned. They have been abandoned for 20-25 years. A train last ran in the 80s. Wow. And you can tell how old the rails are by just looking at them. Look how brown they are. Let me show you something. Let me put the camera here so you can get a good look at the rail. That's what the rail looks like. And parts of it is just terribly overgrown, and nature has just reclaimed this from man. Wow. This is just something else. I've always been wondering if a rail company will ever take this over again, or if this track is just left here to do nothing. Oh, whoa! What the heck? Stupid fly. There's like a billion flies here. Fly invasion, fly invasion. Yeah, and if you want to... Yeah, they do, yeah. These if you want to come and visit these tracks, you can go on Clark Road, and then you just keep going until there's a crossing, and this is where they are. Then you can park here at the 7-Eleven, which is where I did. It's just really hard to believe. This is like my new playground. This is so cool. Guys, thank you for watching, and I will see you next time. Goodbye!